Hey guys, as you're preparing for the new year, you should start to think about what can I do differently for 2023 that I have never done before. A lot of you have a listing presentation. Some of you have a buyer presentation. Some of you have a pre-listing kit and a pre-meeting buyer kit for buyers. And a lot of you don't have those things. But if you do have those things and you're saying, what's the next thing I could add to my overall mix of marketing materials? I'm going to give you an idea right now. It's called my success portfolio. So if you were going to go to an architect or a photographer, sometimes even a baker, some other kinds of service providers, like my wife and I experienced it when we hired a wedding planner. When you go into those places and you talk to them about doing business, a lot of times they'll bring out their portfolio. And their portfolio is kind of a graphic representation of what they've done, a visual representation of what they've done in the past for other clients. So the photography is going to show you other photography he's done. With a baker, they may show you pictures of other kind of bakery goods that they've created, or wedding planner, all the weddings that they've done. And we've experienced this in many different aspects of our lives, and you do too. You've probably had this happen to yourselves. But do realtors do this? Not normally. Normally, realtors are just focused on what I can do for you and kind of walking through a listing presentation. Often they don't bring into the picture the successes they've had with other clients. So for 2023, I want you to think back about 2022 and all the people you've helped sell a home. And in your own personal success portfolio, I want you to think about putting together the listings and the buyers that you've helped. The listings, how you've marketed them, the buyers, how you've worked with them. Maybe show photos, flyers, postcards, the work you did to uncover those listings, those hidden gems that your buyers actually went out and bought, right? Walk them through the process of all the marketing techniques and strategies that you used to create success. And then within those pages, maybe a double truck page showing off the success you've had with a picture of the client and everything you've done to help the client. And then maybe also, if it's a seller, saying, hey, we listed the property for this, we were able to sell it within this many days for this, and we closed on this date, and here's a testimonial from the client. Same thing with buyers. I was able to help buyers. Looked at 25 homes. We narrowed it down to 3 homes. We made an offer. We got it accepted. We closed in 30 days. Buyers are living there now. Here's a testimonial. However that looks for you, it's going to look different for every agent, but putting together that success portfolio and being able to maybe put that into not just a printed version, but an electronic version that can be emailed to potential clients, both buyers and sellers, super, super powerful. Think about it as a pre-meeting, not just a pre-meeting kit, which is a process kind of walkthrough, but a pre-meeting success portfolio, which shows people all the things they can expect when they're working with you. Super powerful, one of the most easy things that we should be able to implement in 2023, because we've got all the work we've already done. We just got to assemble it, right? So give it some thought, work with your graphic designer, and see if you can put that together. I'd love to see what you come up with to make that happen. Guys, if you're looking for more ideas, more strategies, more techniques to take you not just from good, but to great, I'd love to work with you personally as your coach. I've got an incredible coaching program over at eRealEstateCoach called The Path. It's 20 straight weeks of coaching paired with hundreds and hundreds of downloads, plus marketing assets delivered every week, and 3 live coaching sessions every single week. We're going to take you to the next level when you work with our team. My website is eRealEstateCoach.com. We'll look forward to seeing you over there very soon. Have a great day. Good selling.